To start using our data center proxies, go to our dashboard. To buy a subscription, click on Data Center Pay per IP. Choose the number of IPs that fits your needs. After that, choose the location of your IPs. You can choose your IPs to come from one, a whole variety of locations, or leave it at random. Now choose the amount of traffic that your project requires. Note that the price of traffic depends on the amount of IPs that you are purchasing. And with that, you're ready to press on the Buy Subscription button. There are a couple of ways you're able to pay for your subscription. To pay with a credit card, click on the Credit Cards section. Then fill out all of the required fields. Once the fields are correctly filled out, click on Next. It will take a couple of minutes for your subscription to be activated. To pay with a smart wallet, click on Add Money. Using the slider, select an amount that will cover the price of your purchase. Or if you don't want to keep topping up your wallet every month, add more credits. Then we will deduct the required amount and automatically renew your subscription. Once you're satisfied with the selection, click on Continue to the payment. You can add the credits a few ways: via your credit card, with PayPal, wire transfer, and Google or Apple Pay. After you successfully added wallet credits using one of the available payment methods, your subscription will be activated in a couple of minutes. You can track the remaining wallet funds on the upper right corner of the dash. Click on the wallet icon to add credits anytime. You can also pay for your data center IPs via PayPal. To start setting up your data center proxies, go to the Setup tab. First, you'll see the Authentication Method field. To authenticate your proxies, create a username and a password. Click Create. You can change the password of your user anytime by clicking on the square icon next to the password. However, you can't edit the username of an existing user. For that, you'd need to delete your existing user and create a new one. Also, if you have multiple users, you can save time and find a specific one quickly with our search bar. You can also authenticate your proxies via IP whitelisting. Click on Whitelisted IP. Now you can either add an IP manually or quickly add your current IP to the whitelisted IP list. Note that you can only add IPs that are in the IPv4 format. Also make sure that the IP you're adding is yours and you aren't using a proxy or VPN service at the time. Click here to name your whitelisted IP. If you want to remove it, simply press Delete and Confirm Delete. Now on to the second step, Endpoint Generator. Enter the same username and password that you created in the Authentication Method block. Or simply check any whitelisted IP from my list. Then select your proxy location. Selecting Random will mean that the location of the IP address will be chosen randomly from one of our data center IP pools. If you choose a sticky session, your IP will stay the same until the session expires. Smartproxy's data center proxy sessions last for 30 minutes. If you'll choose the rotating session, your IPs will change automatically with every new connection request. Now select your preferred output format. You can download the created proxy list or copy it to your clipboard. You can apply this port and endpoint to any application or tool to start using proxies instantly. Here's an example of what it looks like on a simple curl command when using the data center rotating port for the US. As you can see, the IP changes on each request, meaning that the test is successful. For guides on how to integrate our proxies, visit our documentation.